and this is a video on test mode. So for our online class, we got to have a specific way that you're going to set up your tests so that you can be successful and we can keep the test secure. So let's get started. So for our online test mode, I'm going to need you to log in two places. I'm going to need you to log in with your phone to our digital classroom, and then you're going to also log in with your laptop. So essentially what we're going to have you do is I'm going to have you position your phone looking at you while you take the exam on your laptop. So let me show you. So this is an example of how I would like you to have your cell phone positioned looking at you during our exams every week. What you notice, there's four things that you can see here. You can see the side of the student, you can see their hands, you can see the screen, and you can see most of their room. So again, the things that I need to be able to see from your cell phone as it's logged in is the side of you, your hands, and the computer screen, and some of the room. Here's another great example of what I'm talking about. Here again, we have a side view of the student. We can see the student's hands, we can see the student's computer screen, and we can see a lot of the room. So here's another great example. Again, we see the side of the student, we see the student's hands, we see this computer screen, and we see some of the room. So here, this is almost okay. We do have a side view of the student. We do see the student's hands, but here we don't see the student's computer screen. So this one would not be a good, but we do also see some of the room. Here's another one. Here we don't see the side of the student. We really see the back of the student. And we can kind of see the student's hands, but this is also, since we're at the back, we can't really see the student's hands. We can see the computer screen, we can see some of the room. So this one is not good because it's missing the. So this one should be a lot more obvious. We don't see the student at all. We can see their hands and we can see the computer screen. We really don't see any of the room. So the only thing we see here is the hands. So this is not okay. You got to zoom out with the phone camera. Here's another example. We don't see the student from the side. This is more so the front view of the student. And so we can't really see the hands. We see one hand, but we don't see both the hands. We can't see the computer screen, but we do see a lot of the room. So again, this is not okay. This is not a good. So finally, to recap, when students are going to take quizzes or tests in my online classroom, I'm going to need them to log in with their cell phone and position it in a place where you can see the side of the student. We can see the student's hands, we can see the student's computer screen, and we can see some of the room. Also make sure that you have downloaded Pearson Lockdown browser and the Safe Exam browser, because we will do a test run of taking quizzes tomorrow using those. All right.